The problem with today's people is, well, they feel like they have been programmed, and I think I have a solution to this. This is not like a solution, but a pathway or certain principles to follow and certain things to avoid to get control over your mind. Because at the end of the day, in philosophy, it is I think, therefore I am. We will we will be discussing what are those principles in a brief, not very long, but a brief. All right. Um, the thing I'm uh, going to start with is the haram word or haram concept, because this word isn't only associated with the Muslims, as it includes all of the great sins like the seven deadly sins, lust, greed, and all of them. And I think these are the things that have been normalized in today's world. Okay, these things have been normalized, and that is the Satan's doing. That is the thing that Shaitan is doing. It, he is misguiding people. Okay, so all we got to do is, um, I think in Muslims, in Islam religion, the haram कहते हैं, you say concept is, think of it like a thing you should never do. Not even think about the reason you should never do it, but this thing, this thinking that you should never do it no matter what, eventually eventually stops us from finding excuses to do it. All right, and if you are applying this concept in your life, whether you are religious or not, you will break out of the कहते हैं, manipulation just like movement. And the other thing is freeing yourself from addictions, any addiction, whether it is good or bad for you. Addiction makes you dependable on that thing, vulnerable. You get into a pattern routine that if you are deprived from it, your mind goes crazy and you feel lost. So be check on your addictions and try to, leave them. And I will be making videos about them, explaining in details. Don't worry. And the next thing is choosing what to consume. The major factor that shapes our opinions, ideas, beliefs, faith is what we are consuming. Okay, we input our some information, we evaluate and form some in conclusions. And actually, I have a method to to never ever form baseless and false conclusion. All we got to do is self check the information that we are consuming. It's just self check it, and the moment you self check it, you will realize that most of us, what we consume isn't true and very baseless and even manipulating. So realizing this can be a bit helpful, and I have a real analogy to this, and I will be explaining that in a later video. Growing up, role models are the factors, or you can say figures that influences the most. They influence most because they have the capability. They do it through music, content, ideas, and speeches and opinions. All right. As children, we grow up them to be like them. All right. Uh, so you know these role models can or are used to inflict some not so great ideas in your mind. So before worshipping one, think what the person is saying, not who is saying. All right. And the most important or difficult task will be to do is to leave the pre-existing beliefs, because they have been they have it is like a game setting or configuration that we have enabled as the life is going on. And Resetting it will be very difficult, but you gotta do it for the growth. Understand? So this video, how to get free of them, I will be making video, alright. And the next thing is becoming a rational person or critical thinker. If you are these persons, you will eliminate all of the manipulation. Although truths can be manipulated, but at most certain level, you will be never manipulated or programmed. So it is nothing but thinking rationally, or what? Uh, Thinking with facts, taking facts, not with emotions, alright? And critical thinking is interpreting, evaluating data, and based on the data, then forming conclusions and self-checking the data that is it is not false. So you gotta apply these concepts in your life. And the next thing is studying the three P's: philosophy, psychology, and physiology. These three P's can transform your life. Because to get over your manipulation, you gotta make sure who you are and what your ideas and beliefs are. These three will find help you find yourself, and don't be afraid to ask the opinions of your enemies. They will inspire you. And in conclusion, I have this that these are some principles that I will be talking about in later videos. And if you work on these, you will enhance your individuality along with your growth and your ideas and your beliefs. Thanks. And you gotta subscribe to subscribe.